Not all telemedicine treatment solutions are created equal. Well, there are different subtypes of attention deficit disorder. The most predominant form that we see, particularly in adults, is really more of an inattentive subtype, where people have difficulty maintaining focus on task. They procrastinate, they leave their work to the last minute, they have difficulty maintaining attention in work environments, in home environments, and even in social environments. And that's how it manifests with this symptoms that cause them to present for care. And then there's another subtype that people can have, and that's more of a hyperactivity type subtype. And you hear about that typically more in children, where they fidget and squirm and can't sit still. But we also see remnants of that in our adult population, and it manifests in different ways. They can't focus at tasks during meetings. They can't stay still, and they have to move around the office, or even in some cases, they'll select certain types of work intentionally because they find it difficult to stay still. They require constant motion. One of the other manifestations we see in our adults with attention deficit disorder is impulsivity. And that can manifest as poor decision making, where they may feel uncomfortable in a particular situation. They may opt to choose to do something that they wouldn't otherwise normally do and exercise bad judgment. This is about you being who you were designed to be. Visit thephysiciansnow.com to get started.